So this is the Swift for Arduino team, and today I'm unboxing the orange pip, which I got mine from Rapid, and I think Cool Components do them as well. And yeah, got that mail order, and it was about £12, including VAT. So a really good price, actually. Very happy with that. Yeah, anyway, so here we go. We'll take a look at it, and then I'll plug it into Swift for Arduino later on and see how it comes up. But first of all, let's pop this guy open. Okay, well that's really cute. So they've got their logo just there. That's really nice. And a simple breakdown. So if we pop this open, oh, that's really cute. I love that. Okay, so it's oh, that's a really nice use of design. So when you fold out the cardboard box that it comes in, it's automatically positioned with some little call outs on either side here. It's like a little work of art. It's like a little advert for all of the features of the orange pip, and it's a nice name as well. Orange pip is cute. So you know, we've got the standard sort of things here. So it's a DC jack, an ATmega 328 microcontroller, GPIO pins, that's the analog side, so it's really just compatible. It's an Arduino compatible, so you've got the same pins as an Arduino Uno, you know, kind of your standard things that you've got here. Everything's the same layout, so it's Shield compatible. And it's also, which is, I haven't seen with all of the different boards, you've got the Atmel chip in there, so let's pull that out. So that's an ATmega 328P, the standard chip, which the ATmega Uno, especially the Arduino Uno is using, and it's really just like the same layout. You've got the power controller up here, you've got a crystal down there, the 16 hertz crystal, and you know, it's the same layout, but it's just like nice logos, nice silk screening you've got on there. I like the colour actually. It's kind of almost, take it out, it's a little bit old-fashioned because you used to get boards like that a long time ago. Open source prototyping platform, yeah, that's cute. Yeah, I like it. And they've gone with really almost an exact copy of the Arduino Uno. So unlike the Duino, which was a really nice board that I liked, but this one's got like the USB, I want to call it a USB-B connector. So the B style, the kind of more square connector, just like the Arduino Uno. So yeah, more traditional. And again, like the Arduino Uno, you've got, this is actually in a socket. So you can use this, as well as using this as a prototyping board, which is probably what most people are going to do with it. The hidden feature of Arduino Uno and this board, maybe a couple of others, is that you can use it to program these chips. So you can actually program this thing and then pull it out and either solder it into a board, or more likely plug it into a breadboard and make a kind of a breadboard type Arduino for like a low price. And then you can put a new one in here and program it and just keep on going like that. So yeah, no, this looks fun. I'm gonna try and hook it up. I'll stop this video now and I'll go and plug it into Swift for Arduino, check everything's okay, and then I'll restart when I'm ready to do a bit of a demo on Swift for Arduino.